Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Welcome to.
So, and I'm really delighted, to meet all of you this morning. And I believe that, as we transition into this new role that God has blessed us with, I believe that I will need all your experience to come to bear. So to make my time serving people to be pleasurable. So I'm really delighted, and we thank God that the outgoing administration was able to midwife us to this point and left us some very capable hands. So it's really nice to meet you all today. And as we move forward, we'll be calling on you from time to time. I'll make the bigger picture, and also I'm trying to get some of the political appointments also to join you. So I will need all your cooperation and all your support. And it's not about me, but it's about our country. So our country and the love for country should come to bear, and we should all put that